Hi everyone, today we are introducing a new stream virtual event chat kit. It is completely free to download and use and comes with everything you need to accelerate your team's app design process and create memorable virtual event experiences. This UI kit includes desktop, mobile design kits for Figma, and a sample application created with Stream's React Chat SDK. The design system kit in Figma has more than 100 screens, along with an assembled prototype. Let's look at the design system. This kit has a comprehensive list of components with variants, states, and auto layout functionality. Next, let's look at how we have implemented auto layout within the app screens. By selecting any of the app screens, you can change the device frame to any of these devices, for example, Android, and the content adapts automatically. When an element is removed, the content will restructure to fill the available space. Next, let's look at themes. With themes, you get a comparison of light and dark modes. To change a light theme to dark, select the frame and choose the dark text and color styles you have already defined in your designs using the Figma Themer plugin. For example, let's choose default dark and click apply. Finally, let's look at the prototype. The prototype serves as a playground for the various features of the virtual event chat kit. For example, the compose area supports both animated GIFs and emojis. Let's search for a card and send it. We invite you to install the React sample application to see all these components working in tandem and download the Figma UI kits to unlock your team's creativity and create custom event chat experiences faster than ever. And thanks for watching.